Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Rane and welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Trader. आज है 31st of March एंड लेट्स एनालाइज हमें क्या बैंक निफ्टी का सेटअप मिला और किस तरह से मैंने मेरे ट्रेड्स लिए. तो यहाँ पर है 5 मिनट्स का बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट. एज यू कैन क्लियरली सी मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं. And you will see in this video how important it is to identify the correct levels. As you can see, we had a resistance zone here. Then we opened gap up, but we couldn't sustain, and we came down. And same thing Bank Nifty did today. Exactly at this point, Bank Nifty took a resistance. So this was definitely a good resistance zone already identified. Similarly, on the support side, Bank Nifty took some support here, gave a breakdown, took a resistance here, and then there was a sell-off. We kind of made a W pattern here and gave a breakout above this zone, and then we held on to this level as a support. And similarly, yesterday Bank Nifty had taken the same support at the same level. We gapped up yesterday and we took support and we bounced back. So ये दो जोन के नीचे के बीच में बैंक निफ्टी एक साइडवेज मार्केट एक्सपेक्टेड था. अगर इस जोन को ब्रेक करता, मेरा लॉजिक था कि अगर इस जोन को बैंक निफ्टी अगर ब्रीच करता तो I would have traded for this level as my target 1, gap filling as target 2, and potentially target 3. This was my plan initially before trading started. So I was a little bit biased on the downside. But as you see, things don't go as per your plan. And so you have to look at live market chart and then analyze your trade. So let's quickly zoom in to see what setup we got exactly. So let me zoom in over here. Okay, so as we can see, we gapped up over here, and this was a support zone for me. And the moment it broke in the first 5 minutes, I initiated my first short trade here. Had a decent profit by this time, and I was hoping to book my profits along this trend line somewhere around in this region, but that didn't happen and Bank Nifty sharply reversed. If you can see, the first it's just a one candle. It took 3-5 minutes candle to come down, and there was a strong one bullish candle that basically went away, gave just went above my selling price. And then in the next candle I booked out my stop loss. Then definitely we were approaching a resistance zone and I was looking for a setup. We had this good green candle again, and then we saw a rejection. The moment we saw a rejection, I entered my short trade again here. And since then, as you can see, Bank Nifty never was able to take away that price that high. So it came, made a kind of a double top pattern here, and never was able to cross this level. So my call was always that I had shorted was always kind of safe, and I allowed it to expire to almost zero. So this was kind of a boring sideways market. We didn't see a breakout or neither a breakdown from the level. Bank Nifty was stuck between 36,500 50 odd levels to 36,300, so in a 250 point range. But as you can see, if you sell at the right point, if you or buy at the right zone, you still can make a decent profit. So let's quickly look at my order book. Okay, as you can see, I the best trade that I had was in 3600 call, where I made 87,000. The stop loss that I gave was 35,900 call. I almost lost 82,000 here, and the trade that I hold on till expiry, and which I allowed to expire almost worthless, was 36,400, which I had shorted at this point, at this level. So there I made around 1,20,000 profit. So net to net, I managed to book around 1,38,000 profit for this expiry. Overall, was a good expiry for me. This month, especially, had was a decent month for me. Had most of my profitable trades in this month, and I will make a separate video on my monthly earnings that I made during this March. So this is like a kind of achievement for me. I have made my highest monthly profits in this month, and I hope to continue this going forward as well and keep breaking my own records. So if you have liked this analysis, please do hit the like button, and if you have any comments or questions, do comment below. You can also follow me on my Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description box. And till then, see you all in my next video. Thank you.